Now is not the time to stand still. Now is not the time to turn a blind eye. Not even 5 years ago, our nation went through a disastrous pandemic. Millions lost their jobs, their loved ones, their livelihoods. Now, we face another threat that targets our healthcare. 1 in 6 Georgians rely on Medicare that provides prescription drugs, covers hospital visits, and helps working class and retired Americans live longer, healthier lives. With inflation still at an all-time high, who can afford to pay more out of pocket to survive? Do you want to be protected, or do you want to die? Buddy Carter wants to cut Medicare benefits, making you pay for treatments and healthcare with your hard-earned money. If this happens, millions across the country will suffer when prices go up, and American citizens are left behind without the medical care they need to stay alive. Would you trust a man whose company was involved in an opioid overdose lawsuit to keep you and your family safe, or who once told Republicans, people in his own party, to snatch a knot in their ass when they didn't support the repeal of the Affordable Care Act? Buddy Carter says he wants to help rural citizens, but how is cutting Medicare for over 2.2 million people benefiting them? 14% of households are already below the poverty line. When your retired parents need surgeries and pain relief medications, when your child is diagnosed with a chronic condition, who is going to spot the bill? Not Buddy Carter. Jon Ossoff has your back. He supports the Affordable Care Act and aims to lower prices of medication drugs, like insulin for diabetes or albuterol for asthma. When he's in the Senate, you won't have to worry about being hit with $1 million bill every time you go to the doctor. Voting Jon Ossoff in 2026 means lower prices for you, your children, your elderly parents, and all Georgians. Make America healthy again. Vote Ossoff. Message approved by PhRMA.